if you dey watch this video, now be say you dey interested to learn DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve, the thing dey look scary when you open am. E go be like say, omo, other person want to learn this. Even Premiere, na so Premiere be look. So no need to fear. By the end of this video, you're supposed to fit. In short, the interface not going to fear you again, because what you want to do here now, what you want to do here, no need to talk too much. We could just start so that you confirm them. Open your DaVinci Resolve. More start. Open your DaVinci Resolve. I use DaVinci Resolve Studio 18. We get 16, we get 17, we get 15 too. So no much difference, but just that the newer the version, the more the feature we go get. So now, so you go open. The reason why they see all these plenty things now because of say the project where I don't work on before. So if you open them for the first time, nothing will show you. So you go see Untitled Project. If you double click them now, it go open. But before then, we get export, we get import, we get new project, and we get open. Open now, in case if you select a particular project, you click on open, you go open that project. New project, now when you want to start new project, obviously. Import, now in case you want bring in existing project, maybe from your file explorer or finder, just locate them, then bring them in. Export, in case you want to export a particular project, then you carry them, go a different system, go continue work. So, more just start, time not the more click on new project. Call them, more just call them intro to DaVinci Resolve. We just put on DR DaVinci Resolve. Then you click on create. This page go open. No fear, no panic. Not panic. DaVinci Resolve interface go whine you, but no panic. Now just normal thing we dey see. So if you look down, you go see media called sure before we come here. Make I show now this way. File. Now normal file, just as we take get, bring in, import, export, to create new project, to create new timeline, to close current timeline, to save project as in case you want to rename the project, to import timeline. We get import, we get media if you want to bring in clips, bin in case you get bin, like as we get bin for Premiere Pro, media from XML in case we get XML file, where usually in our camera files, then timeline. You go use this one well. So much just quickly run this one. If you person where they edit with Premiere and you they collaborate with DaVinci Resolve, you go import project well. Because if you get a particular timeline from Premiere, you export them from Premiere as XML. You go need to bring them in. I click on timeline. I find one thing where I go just bring it. Now, see this is my tutorial, phone editing. I export them from Premiere as XML. My Premiere they open here. Not they open no. Make I open, I go show you how to export them. So I export them as XML, then I will need to bring them into DaVinci as XML. Now if I click on open, it will show you all the timeline, all the properties where you create for inside Premiere. We get the resolution, we get the timeline name. Just click on OK. See, I say don't bring in all those projects, all the clips. So the reason why they short now because of say open. This guy don't open. The reason why they short now because of say the clip be this. And the entire timeline for inside Premiere and be this. So if you use Premiere, they edit, one use DaVinci, they color, you go need to use this timeline very well. I'm going to quickly run enter Premiere Pro, show you how you go fit take export timeline. I got load, I beg time load. Now, phone editing. See, 1, 2, 3. Now this clip, now I export as XML, go DaVinci. That's why you see I'm here. I'm going to zoom in. 1, 2, 3. So this timeline we dey here, 9 day the other side. So to export the timeline, you go need to come inside Premiere. You go need to come file, come export. You will come see Final Cut Pro XML. Now if you export them like this, you will come save them. Anywhere where you save them, see I'm phone editing. Anywhere where you save am here, if you go DaVinci Resolve, go File, go Import, then go Timeline. You come bring in that thing where you export from Premiere. I hope say you understand that part. So more quickly continue. We get File, we get Export, normal export now, we get Export Project. Like I show you for the beginning, just basically the same thing. Then we'll move to Edit. Edit, undo, redo, history, to copy and paste, to delete, to select all, to replace, to normal. You know it, all these things are just normal things where they do for system now, for application. We'll quickly go into the main thing. So you go see media here. Media now when you want to bring in clip. So you go see for your folders here. And from here you go locate what you want to bring in. You go locate the clip. So you get one podcast why the major use this one do sample. I could just Command A or Control A to select all of them. Click and drag and put inside the edit. Inside the media timeline, There you see cut. Cut now when you don't cut or go. Or cut will appear for here. But where the work they happen, of course, inside edit. So we get one audio here, and we can get 3 clips: wide, left cam, and right cam. I'll move this one down, move this one down, move this one down. Whether they do like this, they create track. So we don't get 4 audio tracks, so that if I carry my wide cam, put here, carry my left cam, put here, then carry my right cam, put here. So we don't get one audio and we don't get one original, do one the main audio, do one the camera audio. Yeah, so to synchronize all of them, they already synchronized. But notice one thing, the timeline, not the landscape, the timeline, the portrait. And because of that last clip what we import, so to adjust that, you can just come File, Project Settings. Then under Project Settings, see I'm there for Use Vertical Resolution. Just uncheck them, click on Save. The auto, you don't finish. So we are back to our landscape. Now, we could just collapse this audio. We'll collapse sound like this. So what I do again? To slim arm. Go down. We'll leave only this one big. So to synchronize all of them, you need to select all the clips. Right click. You go see align, auto align clips. You go see based on waveform. Click on them. The thing will analyze the content, analyze the clip. Then if you analyze finish, once you analyze finish, all the audio and video don't they sync. So if you begin the cut, if na podcast or if na music video, anything begin the cut. Now to cut, if you look up, you go see this red guy now the mouse. This one na to carry things up and down. Then this one na to trim. See am. Then we move to the razor tool, blade tool. See that you click here, see the option. If you look close, you go see the description. Blade edit mode or B. If you come here, W9 with the shortcut. So if you move your mouse around all these things, you're going to see the shortcut to insert clip, to override clip, to replace clip. This one now like snapping. If you uncheck snapping, then you come select your clip. See as your clip just they move. There's no snap. So if you come snap like this, you see, say the clip don't they snap to where your player dey, or they snap to the ending. So this the thing will be very useful when you cut clip and you want me the two clip they touch. Like you know we need to come begin the zoom in, come measure where I go put them. You get. That's why the snapping they important. No more move. Now, you know it make we also collapse these video clips to move. I collapse at talk, collapse so we could reduce it too tall, sharp. Like see the one, so you go fit reduce a particular clip. Now to cut, let's say you carry here B for your keyboard, or you select this one, you cut. So now here where the main editing will start. Well, that's all you just be. So just use and do all your cuts. Now if you come under cuts, you go see all the things where you don't cut. And zoom out. To zoom out, or to zoom out, this minus sign. To zoom in, plus sign. So and so it be. Now another thing I want to show you now, say if you look up, you go see mixer, and for this place to bring in your audio property, your audio meter. Then if you come, you go see metadata. That one go give you detail about everything where you waiting for that clip. Then you come under inspector. Inspector be like effect control, but just that everything dey inside already. Unlike Premiere, where you go need to go effect, go search am, crop, or go find position. No, not position. This one get default position. Premiere get default position, like crop, like which other thing where you go need to go effect, go find. So here now all the effects. Before we go back to this, make I show you effect. Now if you come under effect, you go see different effects. If you search by the name, so we'll go under video effects, blur dissolve. Zoom in. If you extend the effect like this, if you play, you see the blur dissolve effect done there. So I hope say you get the idea of applying effect now. Anything, any name where you want, see iris, oval, different effect, band. I'm not going to use this kind of effect because the effect looks so basic. But you get the idea, say you will come under effect. If you come audio effect, if you come, click on drag and put for anyone where you want put like this. So the effect will be on top. If you also extend audio effect front or back, so more come out of the effect, but not need that. Sharp. Title, just as we put on top here like this now. Okay, carry title put here. You see, if you just edit, add name, mid, lower, whatever, you just need to drag and drop and put for timeline. Background reveal. That's everything there. Stay here. So the text go there inside the video go there inside the text. I'm not going to spend so much time here. I already spent so much time on it. So more end down here. If you want to add effect, you just need to come under effect, drag effect where you define, put okay generators. All these pump, pan, whether they use the start video or glitch anything. You get adjustment layer where if you just click, put on top, then any effect where you want to add on top adjustment layer, you could affect the video. So if you put, let's say scale, if you delete this adjustment layer now, the thing will go back to normal. So adjustment layer go good when you want add effect on top video, but you don't want to put them on top the main clip. You just put them for adjustment layer. Now we'll go back to our inspector. Under inspector, zoom in, we won't zoom out. Yeah, under inspector, remember say if you select clip like this, right click, you fit enable this the clip. So now the second clip where they under now in the show, you fit right click, enable, and the third clip, this full now in the show. You know what you get the idea of cutting and adjusting. So we'll remove this top two clip. We will face only this wide. We'll face only this wide like this, sharp. Now if you come under inspector, then come under video, you go see all the ungongo and ungongo we did it. We get transform. Under transform, if you scale video up, zoom in or zoom out. You fit change the position of the video. Just as we take get effect control for Premiere, if you do rotation for the video, if you move the anchor point of the video, if you do the pitch, so the pitch they do like me slam. With my rotation, my reset rotation. You should reset everything. So to reset, you need to come this arrow. Click on. If you do position like this and you want reset position, just come here, go back to normal. So pitch either like this, like this, like this, or like this. But reset. You get the idea. To flip video, and here normal. So we get smart reframe. Smart reframe now in case you want turn this clip now to reel. Smart reframe go help you adjust them so that the people wey dey in focus and go dey the size, but we no need to do that one. That go be when we don't start our edit proper. So cropping, instead of it to like Premiere, you go need to go effect, go find crop. But this one, cropping dey for under inspector, then under video. If you crop to the left, if you crop to the right, if you crop from the top to the down, then after you don't crop, if you decide to add softness, see I say it blend, it sengemenge, you know they sharp. You know they sharp like this, just cut. And that is if you need them. So once again, reset everything. Then we get composite. This one, and when you want to do blending option, we get normal, we get add, we get subtract. That is if you get something where they on top the video like this, then you won't blend the video where they up or the graphics where they up. If you just come, so I say two of them, don't they show. So normal blending option. Then if you go down, we get stabilization. In case clip they shake. In case clip they shake, you fit just come under stabilization. The stabilization for Premiere, you not reach the one for DaVinci. DaVinci on senior RAM because we get three options here. We get perspective, we get similarity, and we get translation. In case you try perspective when your clip they shake, let's say you shoot clip and the clip they shake, and you know the professional, you want main day steady, and stabilization go down for you. Just try any of all these options. You go boom. Then lens correction, and when you shoot, let's say you shoot GoPro and the clip can be like fish eye. I know what I mean by fish eye. Something like this. You know what? I put on for this first clip. Something like this. Lens correction. Let's say you shoot with GoPro, the clip can't do like this. Sometimes when you shoot GoPro, the clip go there like say they push the middle out. So now lens correction, you go fit take quietly adjust them. So just click on analyze. You don't carry clip, go back. If you put on like this, analyze the clip, you can just correct the clip. So now the lens correction they do. So the next tab now fusion tab. But I'm not going to explain fusion tab because now advanced. That one will be a proper tutorial separately for fusion page. Then color tab. So for person like me, now waiting they carry me call DaVinci because I do most of my edit for Premiere. Edit and finish, bring timeline, come here. So here now my favorite spot. So this tutorial not be about color grading. I know if we show you how to color grade for this tutorial. I go only show you what in color tab they do. So color tab now where you fit do your color grading, all the ungongo, all the fine video where you they see, all the nice colored video where you they see. Now here they happen. So to color this thing, we get all these things. Now all these things now you go need to take color video, bring out the best from video. Like see this video now, we're shooting for flat or what we go call raw. What do they call flat or raw? So if I come here, just come maybe I just add node. I did one sharp tutorial for beginners on color grading. If you watch them for my page and click on corrector, add new node. Node now where you they put, you know what, you just watched my tutorial on color grading. Then yeah, let's say I just add a bit of contrast into this video. Only contrast where I add now, you notice the color of the video don't they come out. If I can't say make I drop highlights. So now here you go fit take manipulate everything wey you need to do. If I say make I add shadows, I come talk say okay make I add warmth or make I add chill, temper cool. So now the main thing be that I go do a separate tutorial on a different tutorial on color grading. But you get the idea of wetin the color tab dey do. Na just where you go do your color grading, do your grab still. Grab still, let's say okay, as I get 2 clips here, I get this clip and I get this clip. I color grade this one. I no wan come go dey say okay wetin go happen, make I go color grade this one again. No, I go just come here, right click on this place. You go see grab still. On that grab still, the thing go save am here. Then if you come this clip, you go easily click here, drag and put on top here. No need to begin the color grade am again. That is if the 2 clips na similar clips, like this 2 now na similar clip. But if na 2 different clips, my dear, no vex, you go need to color grade that particular spot again. So na only those will be similar clips. Now you just carry the thing, drag, grab still and drop. Then if you come here, you go see your lumetri scope, where you go fit dey know when clip too bright and when clip too dark. Like now, with this reading now, if this thing dey come down too much, you don dey too dark. If you touch up too much, you don dey too bright. So with this arrangement like this, the clip makes sense. So if I add highlight now, see am, e don dey too bright. If I increase shadows, see am, e don dey too bright. That's why you see say here now don dey blast, don dey touch the roof of this line. Then the clip sef don dey overexposed. If I drop shadows down like this now, like this one highlight, drop. See am say everything don rush come down. Clip don dey too dey dark. So na wetin your lumetri dey do for you. Your scopes rather. So we get scope, we get waveform, we get parade, we get vector scope, we get chromacity, blah blah blah. The purpose of this video na just to show you how the thing dey be. So may I just reset all grades, remove everything wey I add. Comot. The next tab na Fairlight. E dey audio related, so we no go spend so much time on am. Then the last thing na deliver. To deliver, we get so many presets here. We get H.264 for HyperDex, H.265, ProRes, YouTube. But what I advise people say, you not necessarily to use, if you want to upload your video on YouTube, you don't necessarily need to come here, come use YouTube. It must be YouTube. Wait, no. Just do normal set because YouTube clip fit dey too big for you. We get YouTube 4K, we get YouTube HD, just like that. So for here, if you just to export manually, now I go show you now. If you just save am anything wey you want save am, untitled, then location, you go need to browse the location. That is, if you don't edit finish or color finish, man just say download. Man save am as intro to DaVinci Resolve, ITDR. Click on save. On our video we get video, we get audio, and we get file. But we will deal with video alone and audio. So for video, e dey QuickTime. Then the codec dey for Apple ProRes. Abeg, I don't know whether it dey important. Like this uncompressed, I don't advise people to put am for uncompressed because this thing go too high. Wey be say if you not get better system, your system sef fit not fit to run the export or the clip sef fit not play. So me, I usually they use Apple ProRes. The reason why they select QuickTime na because of say I go still carry the clip go Premiere Pro, go do the final export. That's just my work process. But in case you want to export them from here directly to phone to upload, your format need to be MP4. Then your codec will be H.264. Use hardware acceleration if available. That is, if all this will not really mean. So here, resolution, if you decide to choose 4K, will be 3840 by 2160. If you decide to choose lower ordinary HD, if you decide to choose full HD, here where you go choose your everything. Frame rate, if you see the 3 options, remember say when we dey begin, if you change your frame rate for the beginning. So if you decide to change your frame rate here between this and this, because of the timeline we will create, because of our resolution. So quality, if you decide to restrict them, say make it not pass anything will be 8,000, 80,000 I mean, or if you put them for automatic, make computer using way, take adjust them. And basically everything with the here. All this one just leave them as it is. Then under audio, if you decide to see, make I change the codec of the audio, or AAC mostly. If you decide to change, make I change the bit rate. If you decide to be constant bit rate or variable bit rate or average bit rate, depending on, I go do a video on explaining bit rate so that you go understand the proper setting on that one. Then data rate for the audio na 320 kbs, that is kilobyte per second. If you decide to reduce them to maybe 128, way most all these small phones they use. But remember, say as they reduce them, quality they drop sharp. So after you don't do all your proper setting, all your subtitle setting, that is if you add subtitle, if you export subtitle as a separate file, or you export and burn into the video, but no subtitle for this one now. So you could just come advanced option. What you want check here? Data level. I know they use anything here. Same as project. You might not need any of all these things. So when you finish everything, you click on add to render queue. You never begin export like that too. As you do add to render queue, you come your top right, you will see render queue. You come here, click on render. So now when you click on render here, then the guy will come begin the render, the export. But I'm sure I go need them now. I just stop them. Or my alarm finish. Because I assume say I do something meaningful here. Once the thing export finish, the thing they for download, sabi. You could just quickly waka go your downloads. You come your downloads. See the clip. The quality of the video originally did bad, so I would appreciate if you get question. Maybe you drop question for comment. I go try to respond to every question where I see. Yeah, I go leave you. I don't go. Abi? Where do you go, Abi? Oh yeah, now. You understand, Abi? You clear? I dey very sure say you understand. You fit do cut inside DaVinci Resolve now. All those basic cuts, all those basic name writing, you fit do inside DaVinci Resolve. And you know what go happen? You go stay on the page now because this period tutorial why I go take finish una self go shock. I hope say you understand. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. If you like, you share. I don't go.